10 vegetables to plant. This August, think it's too late to start a vegetable garden? Think again. August is actually one of the best months to plant cool season vegetables that thrive as temperatures begin to drop. In this video, I'll show you 10 beginner-friendly vegetables you can plant this month for a fresh harvest before winter arrives. 1. Lettuce. Lettuce is one of the easiest vegetables to grow in August. The cooler weather helps prevent bitter leaves and bolting, and many varieties are ready to harvest in just 4 to 6 weeks. Harvest the outer leaves first, and your plants will continue producing for weeks. 2. Spinach. Spinach loves cool temperatures. As the weather cools, the leaves become sweeter and more tender. It's packed with nutrients and grows well in raised beds, containers, or directly in the ground. 3. Radishes. Need a quick harvest? Radishes mature in as little as 25 to 30 days, making them one of the fastest vegetables you can grow before fall. They're perfect for beginners because they require very little maintenance. 4. Carrots. August is an excellent time to plant carrots. The warm soil speeds up germination, while cooler weather helps develop sweeter, more flavorful roots. Keep the soil consistently moist until seedlings appear. 5. Kale. Kale is one of the toughest vegetables you can grow. It thrives in cool weather and actually becomes sweeter after a light frost. Harvest the lower leaves first, and the plant will continue producing throughout the season. 6. Swiss chard. Swiss chard adds beautiful color to your garden while producing nutritious leaves for months. Harvest only the outer leaves, and new ones will continue growing from the center. 7. Beets. Beets are a 2-for-1 vegetable. You can harvest the leafy greens for salads while allowing the roots to continue growing underground. They're easy to grow and perfect for small gardens. 8. Green onions. Green onions require very little space and grow well almost anywhere. Plant them in containers, raised beds, or garden rows for a steady supply of fresh onions throughout the season. Broccoli. Broccoli prefers cool temperatures and often performs better in fall than during summer. If your area has enough growing time before a hard freeze, August is a great month to get started. 10. Turnips. Turnips grow quickly and are often overlooked. Both the roots and leafy tops are edible, making them one of the most productive vegetables for beginners. Tips for success. Before planting, add compost to your soil for extra nutrients. Water consistently while seeds are germinating. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Finally, check your local first frost date so you know how much growing time you have left. A little planning now can lead to a delicious fall harvest. Don't put your gardening tools away just because summer is ending. August is one of the best times to start growing cool season vegetables that will keep producing into fall. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Soil to Harvest, and tell us in the comments, which vegetable are you planting first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next garden.